Dinner Special Children's Foundation Uganda, alongside Spice Diana, standing in for the children with disability. I know.
It's too happy to cry.
It's too emotional. Yeah. Yes. That's a kind of sensitive moment. Thank you, Dinner Special Children's Foundation Uganda, for supporting these young children. Thank you, Spice Diana. I know. I understand.
Okay, so
yeah, it's okay.
It's too early to cry. Right?
I guess.
But you can't help it because this is what we go through every day. You might not be personally going through it, but you have a friend, you have a neighbor. Because we know it is not easy to have this child. Because in our communities, these kids are seen as a curse. And I've seen many of you getting emotional and crying because you've seen it. And the most painful thing is you can't help everybody.
It has been a journey, yes, a beautiful journey with our beautiful children, our special children. Personally, I'm very excited. I was doing this alone, but together we've done it. Joined with you, so many of you, your kindness, your support, your love, your help has made this happen. It was just a dream. I came here a few months ago and this place was empty. It was only trees. And we have a whole village. Because of you, everyone here. My name is Okemwe Kubide Kengalo. For our visitors, thank you so much, each one of you that has contributed to this amazing project.
I'm not rich, you are not rich, but it's in the heart, okay? You don't have to have much to reach out, okay? So I was inspired to write this song right here that I'm going to perform for. These kids inspired me to write this song. You are not alone. She's not alone. There's so many mothers here who go through the whole situation in So let's stand together because I believe in one thing. Together we come. I've seen this foundation grow from zero to up there.
Yes.
By one. I mean, different hands coming together. I've also joined my voice. And I've given so many people hope. That's what I can do best, okay? You don't have to abandon your child. You never know, this child might be a blessing. Maybe the reason you're still living is because of the child. Maybe God said you live to take care of this child. So please don't throw these kids away. Alright.
Yeah.
Together we can. We are the change. Humanity. We bade muganda wo. Nawo gamuganda wange. Fena chitu kwatako humanity. Tokamba tebi kwatako. Ngoinjala tupako. Okuyamba we need each other. Out of many, one people we are. Give a hand, lend a hand. Listen. Omatalina we waka. Banja
abasula enjala, with a hope for hopeless. Okwagala tekulina komo, everybody needs some loving. We need each other. I want you to know you're not alone. Together we can. We are the team. Humanity. You never know. Together we can. We are the team. Humanity. It's me and you. It's me and you. Let's save the children together, yeah? It's me and you, yeah. It's me and you to change the universe. Omulemu goku sikuyamba talina. Love and light, say love and give it. A countless hell. It's me and you. Weteke mungato soya nimbuzi. Umukwate kumukono. Tutambule enseno lugendo. Mutima gugaba gukwate. Bambine chisa chitware. Boyambye omuyambye. Wali empera. The purpose of life. The cost of living, the value of people, humanity. I want you to sing with me one word. Say, you're not alone. Together we get. We are the change. Together, humanity. You never know. Together we get. We are the change. Humanity. Thank you so much for being part of this, yeah? Together we can do it together. Listen. Oyo wono yamba tomulinda kwechawa kuwanga kwetawa elina muwonya ejala. You want it, you need it, you want it, somebody needs you, need it. If you want it, you want it, you want it. If you need it, you need it, you need it. If you want it, you want it, you want it. If you need it, you need it, you need it. If you want it, you want it, you want it. If you need it, you need it, you need it. Somebody needs somebody. Somebody needs somebody. Somebody needs somebody. Somebody needs somebody. You want it. You need it. Somebody needs somebody. Somebody wants somebody. Somebody wants somebody. Somebody needs somebody. Somebody wants somebody. Somebody wants somebody. Somebody wants somebody. Somebody needs you. Well, great.
That's your cover. Did you catch up on microphone?
Yeah? It's okay. It's okay. You can cry. It's fine. It's alright. I feel you. Alright? It's okay. It's alright. I know. Some of you may not cry and have tears out. But I know you're crying from inside. I know how it hurts. But let's put that aside and celebrate these children because they're a blessing. They are a blessing. We should stop seeing them like misery. We should stop seeing them like a curse and see them as a blessing. We are celebrating a very big achievement. This was just a dream. And now we are living the dream. Okay? So, let's go. This is my band, and we are very happy to present to you. Kalyango, are you ready to dance? Onozinamu? Yeah? Okay. Let's go, guys. Sing! Come on! Sing! Give it to me, say! Baby, jump on the bed. Baby, jump on the bed. Why not jump on the bed? Be your favorite place to go. Give me the good when you said you know. Twist the moon up. Susan, your face on the next bar. You want to know this one's hard. You want to waste so hard. You want to know this one's hard. You want to waste so hard. Baby, can't see me now. And everyone's so got a night. Ooh, now. Sick of my baby, can't see me now. Baby, Omwana, So let me introduce to you my boyfriend, Kalyango. Abantu babuzeko. Lunaku lwa ssanyu indeed. So, omwami ono tulina ebintu byaffe. Okay, Kalyango, ogamba otya? Wangamba olunaku luno olwesunze ogenda kumpa empeta.
Aya basi.
Empeta yange eriwa. Yagamba sente z'embaga yaziryamu wakola kipozi? Yagulamu ngoye. So, it's one of my favorites.
Wow.
Because it's a happy soul and it's the life of this place. Without him, it would be boring. So, Kalyango, okimanyi nkwagala nnyo. Aya
basi.
Okay. Isn't he such a lovely guy? Let me tell you, this one should show you that having a special child is actually not a curse. It should be a blessing, and you should embrace it. You should have a good time. Take care of yourself, okay? Don't abandon your dreams just because of your child. Take care of your child. She's gonna be a blessing someday, all right? She's gonna make a change in your life. So
why not? Thank you so much. Just know I love you so much. Puri cheguru jogwenda ngobere. Puri jogwata ngobere. Omubwati mbera bagamba omubwati. Ono namutu maserebu. Gamba nze maserebu. Achafuka nga spice there. Era abasinga bamama wano bamanyize maserebu.
Okakasa.
Naye nsanyuse nnyo olw'ekitongole kino.
She's happy for this organization. She has been hearing about it. She looked for her somewhere in Mpigi. She worked on her hair some day back. Some few years back. So life had to separate us. She's happy that Spice is a masterful lady. I'm so happy for the situation I found here. I promise that I'm a hard-working lady. When we separated, I started life. Then I got married when I was young. That child came in that situation. My husband abandoned us with my child. We started a new life because even my relatives are departed. I ran to my own biological father and she fired me. But because I'm a hard-working lady, I've struggled for my child for many years. She has made 8 years and I've struggled with her for 8 years. The rest of the time we have been away, the father has been away, she has been there. They know as my celeb. Wherever you go, I'm there. Wherever you go, I'm there. Don't lose hope because of the situation of your children. I gave birth when I was 20 years. Right now I'm 28 years with my child. Do I look that age? Age? No. Do I look 28 with that kind of stress? I wanted to meet you, but there is a child you were helping. She was doing, so she was doing a stall somewhere. That's when I started looking for you. Maybe look for Spice Diana. I looked for you everywhere. Every concert, I looked for you. In all energy. I've worked very hard. Because why do I know a little bit about this? Because I found you here. I bought a plot of land in Mpigi. Because there is no man who can marry you when you have such a child. So thank you very much. I want to meet you. I want to meet you because of my child. I'm working, but things are not easy. Things are not easy. But thank you very much. Thank you for being merciful, because you've helped so many, then you can also help me. So this time around, I'm humbly requesting for support. Yes. Mothers around with such children, please work hard. No man is going to stand in for you with that kind of child. If you're just going to beg, nothing is going to happen. I've looked for Diana for 8 years. So I wanted to look for Diana to help me. Even if you look for a supporter, but you must be working very hard. I love you so much, and my child, she gives her a hug. Yeah, thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you.
music komanda simbule ngoma tugende toka selikuda seli oboyagala tubera kala tena onga toyagala kola ono suwene nongo wekuba kube nasala wonge twasala sagala wonga tikula wama okono myansi kwa kwao nesete tuzigena enyumba tuzifunye abaana tubalina akalulu kalio omulembe tokkiriza kusigala nani kukandiwa I've been waiting for you. Yeah, I've been waiting for you. Thank you. I've been waiting for you. I've been searching for a sweet love, this kind of love, your love. Sweet memories of me and you together. Your love, say, I'm missing you and loving all the way. Come on, baby, get it up, hey, come on, baby, get it up, woman, you kata, sing, woman, you kata. See, woman, you kata. I love the way you join. yangu wanje. One more time, hold on. I want you to do this with your neighbor, yeah? Say, 1. Hold your neighbor close to you. 2, 2. 2. Hold your neighbor with you. Say. We're going, yeah? 1, 2, 3. Say, 1, 2. Hold your hands. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. We go. Hey, we go. One more time. 1. Pause. Everybody pause. Pause. 2. Hold your hands. We're going. 1, 2, 3. Switch to another one. You go. Say 1. Left to left. Right. Say left to left. 1, 2. Hold the hands. You go. Say 1, 2, 3. We go. Ready? Let's go. We go. Say. Switch to another neighbor. Switch to another neighbor. Switch to another neighbor. Switch to another neighbor. Switch to another one. Another one. Let's go. Switch. 1, 2. 1, 2. Hold the hands, everybody. We're going. 1, 2, 3, and go. Switch to another neighbor. I want you to switch to another neighbor. Switch. Let's go. Say 1, 2. Hold the hands. 1, 2, 3. Come on, top. Rudy, thank you so much. You're so amazing. You're such a hero. Ladies and gentlemen, that was my time. My name is Pastor. Our guest all the way from Norway.
Space of
Thank you for loving